Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Journal with Tanishq, and today I'm here with a painting video for you guys, which I usually don't do on my channel. This is my first time I'm trying it, and also this is my first time I'm trying to paint a donut. So I'm not really good at it, and also not good at painting because I've never I don't usually do painting a lot. I'm not really into it. I'm more into oil pastels, but I wanted to learn how to do painting because it seems very cool to me. So I always want to try painting, and I'm a good painter kind of with acrylic paints rather than watercolors, but I am learning slowly how to even paint with watercolors with my experience because I'm a self-taught artist, so I don't really need any it comes with experience whatever I learn. So I usually have now started watching videos at least so that I can have a little bit of guide. So as you can see, I've already made the base. I've sketched out everything. That's the donuts plate, and also the fork, and also the butter knife, and the little a piece of cloth that is placed right on the table. It's table on which all of this is placed. As you can see, I have erased a few parts, and that is because the watercolors, according to my experience, really come out, and it's a little transparent, not really opaque like the acrylics. So the pencil can be easily seen, which is not really good when you're going for painting, until and unless you are making an outline like me. But I really wanted to be a little focused towards not really making those pencil lines come out because it did not look good. So as you can see, I'm even using paper, and that's because I won't really go ahead and just paint directly on the piece of on the drawing book I'm using. Rather than first I'll test it on a piece of paper as to the colors are right or not, and then I go ahead and paint. So I've used a pink, it's more of a magenta pink, and then I've also used a turmeric yellow, as you can see. So I use a palette. I'm not really that of a professional watercolor artist, and that is why I don't really need all those large sets and expensive sets to paint, but I am thinking of buying all of those, and I'm really excited to see how they turn out to be. And I first made this icing. I first painted the icing, as this is a very attractive part of a donut, even in real life and even in the painting. And also, after painting the entire icing, then I went ahead and painted the bread of the donut in turmeric yellow mixed with a little bit of I don't know what this color is, but I know how the color looks. I'm so sorry for that. I suppose it would be, what would it be? Oh, I've seen Bob Ross videos speaking about it. I don't remember. I think it's an Indian yellow. It's a mixture of these both. No, I think it is Indian yellow, not any other yellow. It's not even turmeric yellow, it's Indian yellow. No, sorry, this is turmeric yellow. I'm so sorry. So I even went and overlaid a little bit of grey on the plate because I didn't want it to look plain white, because that would look like it's only an outline, not anything painted in it, so it would look a little bit of bland kind of structure. And then I also made a little shadow, as you can see, underneath the donut to make it look a little like it popped out of the plate. I wanted to go for that look. Then I also painted the fork and the butter knife with grey so that it doesn't look plain. Then the cloth, which I said was right here, and then this is how it looked. I painted it very bright in vermilion here, and it looked awesome. I unfortunately mixed a little bit of blue over there. I didn't intend to, but it came out like that. Maybe it's my old paintings that might have made that orange a little deeply hot with blue. So then I also went with this is called as Indian yellow, I suppose. At least I'm correct here, am I? So as you can see, I have made many polka dots on the background, that is the table itself, and it looked awesome to me because that is the main thing of the painting that makes it very bright and very positive to look at, and that's the main thing of this entire painting. That is the beauty of my painting right here, that the table is very beautiful along with the donuts color. That color combination was very beautiful and a little attractive to me, so I went with that color combination. Then I used my Tombow for 𝒿ℴ𝓃𝒃 hard tip to outline everything. And in case you haven't watched my last video of me testing the Tombow for 𝒿ℴ𝓃𝒃 for the first time, then make sure to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box and even in the cards option above that you will see. And in case you guys haven't watched my July plan with me too, then make sure to check it out, because I made a little unique theme this time and I got a very good response from the community, and I'm really happy as to how much you guys liked my theme. I never had these many likes and even comments on my channel. That is the maximum I have reached. So make sure to even like this video and make sure to get this video at least like a 50 likes, as that would give me a lot of courage to go ahead and try more paintings too. So as you can see, I've made that little kind of a text header over there to write, because I love writing kind of a chapter names over there. So as you can see, this is the final look of my entire painting, and if you did like it, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.